Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Armin van Buuren, the Dutch DJ and producer. The correct Dutch pronunciation is Armin van Buuren. There is a slight emphasis on the first syllable of the first name and also on the first syllable of the last name. Armin van Buuren. Armin van Buuren. Armin van Buuren. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!